So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here was a quick update which I have already updated, but most of you are asking that we are seeing different names in the arcade games. Like when we open the arcade homepage over here, we can see that earlier the games were level 1, level 2, level 3, base camp, certification zone, trivia. Now they have changed the name. So will the points criteria will also change? So here is the official information from the team itself. Okay, although we updated earlier also, but as per the information is required from the team that they have just removed level 1, level 2, level 3 and instead to make it more learning focused. Like here earlier we were unable to understand what is our level, like we are in level 1, 2 or 3. They have simplified the levels, means they have simplified the badges. For example, it's related to application development, it's related to adventure, it's related to sprint because trivia has only 4 labs. So they have simplified. If you just read over here, that here they have mixed it, means updated it. Like earlier, people used to ask whether we should do level 1, 2, or 3. So they have just made that instead Google Skills Arcade is now level agnostic, which means you can choose any of your path accordingly. Okay, there is no fixed order, no invisible ladder to climb. Like most of you are asking that, do we have to start from the trail only, or can we start trivia 1, or you can start trivia 4? So the answer is that you can start from anywhere. Like you can do sprint 4, sprint 1, sprint 3 like this, or you can do base camp, then voyage, then sprint 3 like this. You can just complete. There is no limitation for your learning. Okay, now coming to the solution, most of you are asking where is the solution. So in the description box master sheet is attached. Okay, so if you don't know about the arcade program, your questions, for that you need to just click on this video. Okay, this playlist means this link you have to click all your doubts. Okay, work, meet, play, lab free courses, how many points you can earn, why you should do skill badges now or not, or whether the streaks, leaderboard, what's next section, how to participate in the program, okay, how to verify, how to check, how many points you have earned, how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, which you see in my labs tutorial. So all things are already covered. Make sure to watch it. Now coming over here, how will complete all these monthly games over here. Okay, for that I have already updated the sheet. You can see arcade monthly games. You have to click on it and simply on the left side, you'll be able to see all the labs links, and on the right, you'll be able to see the solutions. Okay, just wait. Okay, on the labs, you can see all the labs are there, and on the right is the solution playlist. For example, you want to complete sprint 1. You click on this playlist, you can see all the solutions are live. Similarly, you can just click on it if you are facing issue, or you can simply come to the channel playlist directly also. There is no single issue on that. Okay, you'll be able to complete the labs without any issue. And most people are having confusion regarding this work meet play, whether they should do or not. I already updated a video for it, but let me brief you that if you have completed this batch in January, okay, there was another season, means another season not, the event started from January, will continue till June. Okay, so if you have completed the January season game, then only complete this game. Okay, if you have not completed, then you just leave this walk meet play. You can see that there is no points mentioned over here. You can complete all the base camp and sprints. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.